Hey, Susan Berkley here with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and this week we're going to talk about timing. So timing is one of those things, kind of like people might say, oh, you don't need to know this. It's like the difference between knowing how to actually add and subtract and using a calculator, because yes, you can improve timing technically, but it's one of those skills you really do need to know how to do. You need to know how to make things longer and things shorter in voiceover on cue. So I've got 5 ways for you this week to improve your voiceover timing, and the first one is a good old stopwatch. Now the great news is your smartphone has a quiet stopwatch in it. So all you have to do is push the button and you immediately know how fast or how slow you're doing. In the old days you had to push it. You'd hear the ticking of it. We don't have to deal with that anymore. Number 2 is something that I always call tape and ape, which is to listen to actual commercials on television and radio, time them, and try to imitate the voice actor who got paid for it, because they're working, for example, within 28 seconds, 30 seconds. Get the timing and try to match their pace as you listen back and imitate what they're doing. Number 3 is to actually work with the spaces between the words. So if you find that you're too slow, you want to visualize tightening up the space between the words. If you're too fast, you expand the space between the words. And a great place to take a quick pause is at the end of a sentence or a thought. Next one is to stand up. So if you lack energy, if you're too slow, move your microphone stand so that you can actually work standing up. That injects a lot more energy into your read and it'll make you sound faster. And then finally, mark your script. Mark where you're gonna speed up, slow down, so you visually see it on the script. All these things are great for helping you with your timing, but the only thing that really does it is practice. So I'll see you next week with more Inside Voiceover.